This isn't just an RV, it's the 2026 Porsche Motorhome. The contoured carbon fiber exterior of this car immediately identifies it as a new kind. Its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and unique Porsche design language are all there in its beautiful look, from the instantly identifiable headlight shape to the smooth, pop-out door handles. This isn't just for show, it's for performance. An amazing 950 horsepower is produced by a powerful, all-electric drivetrain that includes 2 motors beneath the body. This powerful EV system's quick torque allows this opulent mansion on wheels to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an incredible 4.9 seconds. This campervan, powered by a new solid-state battery, fulfills its promise of adventure with the speed and economy you would expect from a Porsche. As soon as you step inside the cockpit, you are immediately thrust into a world of advanced technology. The dashboard is a single, sweeping OLED monitor that displays your speed and remaining range together with a 360-degree autonomous driving interface. Modeled like the 918 Spyder, the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel features integrated navigation and media features. AI-powered voice commands let you to choose your destination, adjust the temperature, and operate the living space without ever taking your hands off the wheel. The driver's seat is a massaging sports seat with full computerized adjustment, making even the longest ride seem effortless. The living room is a simple luxury masterpiece that extends beyond the cockpit. The inside walls are lined with high-tech smart glasses that can be turned to a panoramic view of your surroundings or covered for privacy. Examples of the modular furniture include a sofa that electrically retracts to create more floor space and a dining table that seamlessly folds into the wall. An opulent yet tranquil atmosphere is produced by the use of brushed metal, plush vegan leather, and natural wood on all surfaces. The entire RV is transformed into a private performance space with a state-of-the-art sound system. And the space is kept clutter-free using motorized cabinets and concealed compartments. When you need to unwind, the master bedroom offers a tranquil haven. A king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress is located in a peaceful area. A peaceful and comfortable night's sleep is ensured by the sound-absorbing walls of the bedroom. A 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed can be retractable, which makes it perfect for watching a movie at night. A realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling when the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, creating a serene ambience. The bathroom showcases the high-tech sophistication of the motorhome. The temperature, pressure, and even steam function of a big walk-in shower may all be accurately adjusted using a computerized control panel. The toilet is a heated, self-cleaning machine, and the vanity includes an illuminated mirror with integrated facial recognition. Every surface is composed of a seamless, smooth composite material that perfectly captures Porsche's distinctive harmony between design and use. In addition to being aesthetically beautiful, it is also quite simple to maintain and clean. A chef's dream come true is the galley kitchen, which blends style and practicality. Beneath a sleek black granite countertop is a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop and a tiny, deep basin sink with an intelligent faucet. The refrigerator and full-sized freezer complement the cabinets flawlessly. A microwave and convection oven combination makes it easy to prepare delicious meals, while clever storage options keep all of your equipment and utensils out of sight yet within easy reach. The kitchen of the Porsche Motorhome is the ideal example of how sophisticated design can be valued without sacrificing conveniences.